All right, so we're chopping corn today. It's been a long day. The gathering chain on the corn head went down Monday. Took a couple days for that to get in. That was Monday night, so they got it in Thursday. Got down here chopping. Today's Saturday, so chopping. Yesterday we broke a chain link on the ag bagger and ended up having to make one. It's a 160 link chain. It's about that big. And 6 o'clock, got a milk yet, but we're gonna get started here. Got a big wagon, got a baby wagon. We're renting some wagons from a neighbor. We've got big 16-foot boxes. This guy sells equipment, and he's got smaller boxes. He rented us a couple. One's broke, and then we've got this other one. But anyways, I'll be running wagons tonight, so I figured, hey, I'll take some footage now before we get into it. I guess I haven't made a video in a couple months, and this field was ready 2-3 weeks ago. Well, would have been 2 weeks ago it was ready, 68%, and so we were chopping it, and then we did sorghum before it frosted, and it frosted last week. And well, they're calling for a frost Monday, I think. And we ended up getting a frost then 2 days ago. So this side's really dry. This is wet ground, still green. This is Master's Choice corn. But it's been doing pretty well. And so we'll see if I can get some good chopping footage here. We're running a John Deere 4430 on a John Deere 3950 chopper with a kernel processor, and it's a Gale 970 box. This is conventional corn, and a little weedy because we do all our spraying, and they got tall. Got real tall, but it was pretty weedy. We sprayed it when it was actually too tall to spray, but it killed off most of the weeds. But this is some of the better corn we got. This is a field we farmed. Dad farmed it when he was a kid, but this is the first year we farmed it, at least since I've been old enough. So